Dude, I got a blood blister changing out that tire. And now back to our regularly scheduled program where I was about to cut off this garden implement handle that I salvaged from my neighbor's garbage into a Spartan short spear to add onto my bike, because my spear throwing escapades this coronacation, a friend recommended that I put a Spartan spear, and my long spears are they're too long. I mean, somebody would get hurt, I would get hurt, but I need a little protection on my bike rides. Everybody keeps their dog on a leash, and I'm not trying to poke anybody's dog, but I got bit on Easter. I don't know if you guys remember that. And I was gonna have something in case I need to pick up a litter or kill a zombie, maybe. The Walking Dead and whatnot. Not a sponsor, but they could be. They totally could be. Okay. This is just normal activity for me. Yeah. Spartan short spear. Alright. Welcome to the Grip Show, ladies and gents. Yep. Drawing the nails a little bit, but just in case there's some pokies there, you can spear that guy if you need to. Demo. We're gonna start here. Blunt end, warning. Pointy, sticky end of short spear, Spartan short spear. Business end, pokey. And now I'm going to affix said Spartan spear onto one bicycle for a anti-rogue pet harpoon implement. I need to tighten this mug up a little bit, so I need to make that tighter. I'm gonna put a screw in. The screws fix everything. Oh, don't tell me my power tool's dead. No, maybe it's not. All right, it's going reverse. Okay, here we go. So handy today. This is going to be a weapon of mass destruction, or singular destruction. If you want me to make you one of these, I'll totally do it. You can supply the raw materials, or I will. If you supply them, Spartan short spear, $10. If I supply them, $10. Same price. I tried to do my long spears, they're right up there. I tried to sell those on Facebook Marketplace one day because a friend asked me to make one for him, and I just like doing it. I think spear is my favorite Spartan element, but I gotta be careful here because I could really gouge myself. But I'm gonna make that point stick. My Spartan short spear. I got flagged locally on Facebook Marketplace because I was trying to sell a dangerous implement. So I just took it down. But I do take private orders on Spartan spears locally in the Boise area, Boise, Idaho. I'm not gonna deal with shipping and all that jazz though. I mean, I guess I could figure that stuff out, but Spartan spear is the easiest implement to get your hands on, for me anyway, and to practice so that you don't have to do burpees in a race. It's all about reps and rhythm and practicing hot and cold. Dude, I'm almost done here. But this is definitely going up on the Kdubbley convo. Spartan short spear. Done. Box. Target. Dead. Just cook it. Keep what you kill. Spartan short spear. Anti-biting harpoon tactical device. On sale now. Can't find it on the dark web. Contact directly. Kdubbley Convo. At KWIG. Peace. Aru.